Well, good morning. Welcome to the E3 Weekly Market Report. I'm Pat McClatchy. We're going to take a look at these exports that have just come out. Have not looked at them yet. Big numbers for cotton. 259,700 bales, up 39% from the previous week, but down 22% from the 4-week average. Turkey took 63,300. Vietnam took 59,500. And we've got Pakistan taking 43,900. The actual shipments were, let's see, shipments 166,600 were the shipments. Now the cotton market was already up before this number, so this is going to be a little confusing. We were up 47 before the report. Right now we look to be up about 44. These look like good numbers. The market's been moving up recently, so it might be one of those buy the rumor, sell the fact in the market. So we'll keep an eye on that. Be back to it in just a minute. Let's go to soybeans. Soybeans are net sales, good number, 1,452,600 metric tons. That is down 28% from the previous week, but up 20% from the 4-week average. China took 872,300 metric tons. Japan took 151,800 metric tons. Taiwan took 88,800 metric tons. So, what is the reaction there? Soybeans were down 5 1/4 before the report. They firmed up. They're down 4 1/4 right now. Corn. Net sales, 866,900 metric tons, down 1% from the previous week and from the 4-week average. Japan took 182,900 metric tons. Colombia took 126,400 metric tons. Dominican Republic took 88,000 metric tons. Corn before the report was up 1/4. Right now corn is not changed, still up 1/4. Wheat, 588,800 metric tons for delivery. That's up 83% from the previous week and 97% from the 4-week average, so this is a good number. Thailand took 96,000 metric tons. Morocco took 90,000 metric tons. Mexico took 83,300 metric tons. And let's see here what we've got in the reaction. Wheat was, before the report, up 1 3/4 cents. Right now, wheat is backed off a small amount, up 1 1/2 cents. Cotton has moved up, back up some. It's up 59 right now, so it is firming up as people are looking at this number. So let's talk about what's happened here recently. Cotton market over the last 3 weeks has seen a range of March cotton of 72 to 74.90, 74.90 being made this morning. As we talked to analysts, the range of guesses yesterday morning was 70 to 75. There are some people that are inching that up and saying maybe it goes higher than that. Maybe it can get to 76. Speculators are pushing the market up now, and when they can move the market, they'll move it until they run into enough resistance to cause this thing to back off again. Certainly it's getting overbought. January soybeans, over the last 5 weeks, we've seen the market as high as 10.15 and as low as 9.67. Right now, the January soybeans are trading at 9.74 3/4. Expected range going forward, 9.60 low, 10.20 high. March corn, last 5 weeks, we've seen a range of 3.60 to 3 as a high to a low of 3.47.5. Looking at that market right now, March corn is 3.49 1/4. Expected analysts are putting ranges out there of 3.45 to 3.70 as a low to high range. March wheat, we have been over the last 5 weeks in a range of a high of 4.50, a low of 4.10.5 made just recently. And March wheat right now is trading at 4.18 3/4. Expected range $4 to the downside, 4.60 to the upside. That's it. One last look, we've got cotton up 60 at 74.71 with a high of 74.90. January soybeans are down 4 1/2 at 9.74 3/4. A high of 9.81, a low of 9.73 1/4. March corn unchanged at 3.49, high of 3.49 3/4, low of 3.48 1/2. March wheat up 2 at 418, a high of 419, a low of 416. That's it. Thanks for being with us for this edition of the E3 Weekly Market Report.